wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best children's easels. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. In case your child hasn't hit an early life growth spurt yet, the Elk & Bear for small kids and toddlers is great for little ones who stand or sit especially low to the ground. With boards for chalk, dry erase and magnets, this total package includes markers and erasers. It arrives already assembled, however there are no grips on the feet, and the alphabet pieces are cheaply made. At number 9, if you're looking for a toy that won't disrupt your rustic decorating scheme, the Kidkraft Deluxe has a sturdy frame made of nice natural wood, with dual chalk and whiteboards and an easy-to-use paper dispenser at the top. It also comes with 2 anti-spill paint cups. The height is adjustable and it's available in other colors, but the tray must be detached to fold it up. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For little tykes just learning their ABCs, the Step 2 for 2 is a dual board that comes with 77 foam alphabet and number magnets, which can be arranged all over the metal dry erase side. Plus its colorful, easy-to-assemble plastic structure won't intimidate adults. The supplies trays are wide and deep, and there are large built-in clips for paper. However, the alphabet pieces are a bit flimsy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the daskid tabletop is a simple yet reliable 2-sided magnetic whiteboard. Not only for creative expression, this model can also be used as an educational tool by teachers and by parents for helping with homework, organization, or allocating household chores. It includes 4 dry erase markers and promises a fast setup and breakdown. It can be affixed to a refrigerator. Moving up our list to number 6. When it's time for a small creative to hit the road, the plastic Faber-Castell portable art kit has all the fun of a standing set, but in a compact travel-sized package. The 3-in-1 chalk and whiteboards and drawing pad can lie flat or be propped up laptop style. It includes pencils, markers and crayons, and a built-in carrying handle. It's good for kids 4 and up. Halfway up our list at number 5. For double the fun, try the Melissa & Doug Deluxe, a nice standing option with a board for chalk on one side and dry erase on the other. It comes with an integrated butcher paper roller and removable clips for pinning down a flat drawing or painting canvas. The height is adjustable and is equipped with art supplies trays, but assembly is difficult. At number 4, from the Swedish company known for no-frill solutions to all basic home needs, the IKEA Marla is a 2-in-1 standing model that's just as easy to assemble and use as any of their other furniture. All-inclusive, it also comes with neat boxes of colored markers and chalk. It includes a paper roll and eraser, and folds up easily. However, the structure is a bit flimsy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. As far as tabletop art stations go, the Alex Toys Artist Studio has all the bells and whistles: a paper roller, a cutter, and a clip, and reversible boards for chalk, magnets, and dry erase markers. The mini travel-friendly setup also includes spill-proof paint cups with lids. It's made of wood and plastic, and no assembly is required. It won an Oppenheim Toy Portfolio Award. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, lightweight and made of colorful plastic, the Crayola Quick Flip is the classic crayon brand's take on an affordable dual-sided kids canvas. Built with toddlers in mind, it includes 77 alphabet and number magnets to use on the whiteboard, as well as paint cups and brushes. It comes with chalk and dry erase surfaces and an incorporated paper roll dispenser. It rotates easily to change boards. And taking the top spot on our list. For budding artists who show an interest in drawing and painting, the Hape All-in-One is worth the price, as it has a paper roll and large supplies trays. Plus it's made with a non-toxic finish, and the height is adjustable for multiple or growing children. 2 children can use it at the same time, and it's designed in Germany. It takes 15-inch paper rolls. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for children's easels, or simply click beneath this video.